Hello guys, we're heading to the river. Diba? Yes. So, it's Holy Week here. And mangaligo mig sapa to relax kay it's so hot here and the duck is over here. So, let's go. So we are going to connect with the nature for today's video, guys. No, kay it's been so hot here in the Philippines. So mo nang maligo ta og sapa. Don't go farther. English pagid ay sa kuan. So di ba very nice day. Nice sa scenery diri oh. Tanawa.
Ay, go.
Lagi. Nindot wi ngani mo pang peaceful jud kay siya good. Oh, kanay lang kaduol. So this is the way, guys. So and this is a cliff, di ba? Cliff ang tawag ani no. Do you call this as a cliff? So the river is there. Oh my goodness. See? But we are just half on our way getting there on the river. So yes. And it's so nice here, guys, because naay balay, there is a house up there. See? So it's a rest house. Yes, guys. Everyone say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay, this is Loie, this is Sister Chichi, that is nephew B-Boy, and nephew Zane Kishler. Okay. Yes, guys, this is where the broom came from, guys. We call it tahiti. So, diba? Tahiti. Ganun lang. Yes, guys, and also there is a shed.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. See? So when you are sitting here on your journey from, you know, somewhere else and you're getting tired, you are going to sit here and this is your view. So this would be your view here. See? And let's go further. Let's move. So guys, we can smile up at this moment, especially those kids. And when we are going back home, because it's quite so very far and it's a long walk, and probably these kids are exhausted and getting tired from swimming in the river. So what will happen, Kishler? Later, when we go home, we will be exhausted, and then anyone will be look so angry. And look at this, guys. See? So very nice. Oy, grabe, oy. It's a breathtaking, you know. Look, this is so beautiful, guys. Scenery. I'm living here on the entire life in the mountain, but guys, I'm still so surprised and impressed. This beautiful scenery, I love it. Thank you, the Creator, for giving this. Please say thanks to God, B. Thanks to God for everything.
Thanks to God for everything.
Yes, that's good. Imagine, this is how the world beautiful is. Diba? Of course, guys. So, we are now on half on our way. Tama ba? Half on our way na ta, guys? Nakalimot. Yes, we are. We are half on our way to getting into the river. So this video is just part of the journey. So there will be a part 2 on the river moment. So guys, you could hear the river flowing. So it's there. See? Let's go. It's always so nice that you are getting, no, sweating. Panington ka, oh, there's a bird over there. Yeah, kauwi sa ano, oy, sa reaction, there's a bird over there. But yes, dami kayang feeling ba nga ka ng, oy, kabakikaw ba, oy. It's so nice to get sweat, and at the same time, you are connecting with the nature. Yes. And it's, you know, it's very refreshing. Mind, you know, saan tawag guy? Mind relaxing. Mind relaxing. The problem is, guys, along the way, we just remember that we forgot to bring a charcoal for our barbecue. So, watch out for the next videos that I will be going to upload, because the moment of truth, we are going to make charcoal on our way. Nakaigit na binignit here. Super grabe, it is the sign of the Holy Week moment that there is someone, you know, releasing their guitar. I'm so sorry, baka na yung mga nagkuan, nagkain or having their meals at this moment. But yes, they release all the tension. Magsaya man na siya ugma unya dire. Grabe na kayo unya, mag-angry na ang mga face kay you can't even talk to them. Kay sometimes walk not very ka-fast. Naman Jod, among of all of us, especially the small guy over there. See? Kanang night tower. Guys, we have a property here before located on that tower. Yes. So, unfortunately, we already sold it for so many years ago. So, that's why. But before, when we are, you know, kids, we used to have our vacation there because we plant some radish, carrots, any crops, vegetable crops. So, that's why. Oh, there is so beautiful flower, guys. Look. So beautiful. Oh, here na lang. So very beautiful and very nice. So yes, we are almost there to the river. So every time I get back here, it always reminds my childhood memory. This is where I got my shoulder fracture. Oh yes. So in Bisaya na pian. So this is where I get fractured on my shoulder because short story. So short story, guys. Me, mother and I was riding on a carabao together with the vegetable crops, and unfortunately there is some part that the carabao need to, you know, something like to jump, and that's why when the carabao is about to jump on that hump, we fell down. So, and I fell down on the stone. That's why my back was get fractured here. So yes, we are now here close to the river. So yes, here we are, and there is some other people who also, and they are friends. So see, this is the river. Who are they then? This is a friend of Zayn. So yes, we're finally here, guys. So we're here at the river, guys. So we will going to, what do you call this? Gawa ng tent, no? Guys, later na mag-swim kay, let's make a tent first before anything else. So guys, that would be the journey of going to the river, and on the next video, our moment of here in the river. So yes, let's go, and we will make some tent. Here siguro tabagwat of tent siguro. So guys, let's go, come here. So, I will let my sister film us here while I'm going to install a tent so that we have a sun protection. And yes, of course, thank you to the Amazing tayo in Australia because we have our sunblock here and we can protect our skin. So guys, go.